Hey everyone, I'm Rosie and welcome back to my channel. Ever since I made that vegetable soup bird sculpture from a couple weeks ago, I have been in the mood to collage with food images. I don't know why I don't use them more often, but we're gonna change that today. So I have a couple of old cookbooks here that we can flip through. I've also collected a couple of fast food ads that have some big food images on them, so these might be fun to use. So let's jump into it. So I flipped through the cookbooks, but I wasn't immediately inspired by anything. So I flipped through a bunch of these national park magazines to find landscapes that maybe we could put food into. And I found some good stuff, so let's talk through those. The first image I found was this one that I thought kind of looked like a grill or someplace where we could cook meat. And so maybe we could lay that over the ground and maybe replace the sky with something a little brighter. So it was like the sun was cooking this meat. Maybe. The second image I found was of a water skier, and I was thinking maybe we could put him in a bowl of soup or some sort of liquidy meal, and we could keep some of the spray up here to make it really feel like he's water skiing on said dish. So I don't know, we'll have to find the right thing for that. This one, I kind of just like the people down here, and maybe we could put a food item down here and they're sort of hiking up the item. I don't know, maybe we keep the background, maybe we don't. I don't know, I didn't really think this one through that much. I just thought this little group of hikers was kind of nice. This waterfall, I thought maybe we could shove a bowl of soup or maybe a mug or something in here so the waterfall was sort of falling into the dish. Kind of liked that idea. The last one's probably my favorite. There's something I really like about this road and this car and the trees in the front, but I was thinking maybe we could replace the entire background with hamburgers. So I have a couple images like this one, and there's some, I guess these are chicken sandwiches, and then there's some burgers and McMuffins in here, and I thought maybe we could create an entire mountain of fast food items behind this car. And maybe we could arrange them in a way that it kind of looks like there would be a road going through them to keep the car sort of idea, and it'd be like the car drove through this mountain of fast food burgers. I like this idea. Not sure if I could make it work, but it's pretty good. So these are the two pieces I've been working on. Unfortunately, I don't think either of these are really working. The water skier one, the composition of this is actually quite nice, but it doesn't make any sense. It literally makes zero sense because there's water, but it's on salad. It just doesn't make any sense. So I'm probably gonna have to abandon that and maybe find a new place for the water skier. The fast food mountain, I want this to work, but there's something not quite right about it. And I don't know, maybe I need to cut around these trees and actually stick the burgers back here to really see what it's gonna look like. But I think there's something about this one that's too big. And these, I don't know, maybe I don't have enough of them. I do have a bunch of smaller burgers that I could cut up and use, but they're kind of really small compared to these, which are kind of a bigger size. So I'm feeling not great about this either. So unfortunately, I need to keep sort of maybe going in a different direction. I did notice one of the images on the cover of this book is a stew, and I thought maybe it'd make more sense if this guy was on this pot of stew. But then I need to do something about the background because obviously the title of the book is not ideal of that being there. But I don't know if this makes sense either. And also the cover, I don't know. I'm feeling very lost right now. So I need to do, I think, a little bit more exploration, pull out some other things, and I don't know, we'll see what we can come up with. So this is definitely better than the other image we had. Is it still great? I don't know. So as you guys can probably tell, I was really struggling with this collage. I love the idea so much. The thought of having this mountain of burgers and sandwiches was just such a fun idea. I did not want to give up on it. So I got it to a place where it was, okay. And then I ended up taking a picture of it and sending it to my friend just to, get some fresh eyes on it. And I asked her, does this make any sense? And she said, it makes as much sense as all your other weird collages, which, to be fair, is accurate. But she also said, you know what that McMuffin needs is a tunnel so it looks like the car just drove through it. And thank goodness she said that, because that is exactly what this needed. It needed some sort of element to connect the background to the foreground. And I'm so glad that she had this idea because it really saved the collage. So I'm feeling a lot better about this collage now. Adding the tunnel with the McMuffin was the right move. It really kind of gives the collage more purpose. Now, I think just to finish this up a little bit, I'm gonna chop off the top here. So I wanna actually keep the natural roundness of the sandwiches as the top. I haven't quite decided what I'm gonna do on the edges yet, but I probably just cut them straight and just have the top be organic. And then I want to do a little bit of cleaning up around these trees. about as good as they're gonna get, but I think I could clean them up a little. And then I do have a couple of smaller sandwiches and burgers, so I think I might see what it looks like if I put a couple small ones here and a couple small ones over here. It might be a good, introduction to the sandwich mountain. So I'm gonna do those things, but I'm feeling a lot better about this. I ended up not using any of the small hamburgers that I cut out. I just thought that the scale was weird and they looked funny. I think because they were so much smaller than every other burger that I had in the scene, they just didn't fit and it just didn't make sense. So, what I ended up doing instead was chopping off a lot more on the right and left of the piece to crop off some of those more awkward parts in the landscape that I was trying to cover up with the little hamburgers. Instead, I just chopped them off and I ended up making a much sort of a tighter, more cohesive, and a little bit simpler collage. And there weren't any awkward parts because I had chopped them all off. So I'm really happy that I didn't give up on this collage. I definitely did struggle at the beginning. I was having trouble sort of seeing my vision all the way through. But I'm so glad I didn't give up because I think it turned out really fun and I love the concept and it's just a really fun one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.